Welcome. This video is part of our Pureinsights Discovery Explainer series. Product architect Andres Marenco explains why Discovery exists and how it helps scale content access.
We're going to talk about a use case from our clients in the content publishing industry, and I'll show you how Discovery helped solving their problems. Think about the business model. We have a knowledge base at the center with articles, books, and any other type of content created by someone. And on the other side, we have a customer or a subscriber that needs to access this content. This is a simplification of the business, but it helps understand. And in fact, I'm going to simplify it a bit further because we can divide it into creating the content and accessing the content. Let's assume the creation part is already solved. You already have a process where the content creator publishes his content. You are satisfied with this. So you can focus on how the customer is going to access this content. And here's the use case. You have a customer that needs to access some content, and he wants to do it in the easiest possible way. How to do it? There are different ways of doing it. The most traditional one is with a search box. We are all familiar with it. Just write something in here. You're going to get some results. You're going to get some facets, some breadcrumbs, and you can call it a day. You solved the problem. But maybe you want to innovate. Instead of a search box, what you want is an agent or whatever other solution comes in the future. The point in here is that the goal is always the same. No matter which solution you choose, the goal remains as the customer that wants to access some content. So let's focus on search. Because you want to focus on search, maybe you want to implement it on your own, in-house. And how to do it? Let's see what needs to happen. First thing, you need a search engine. Now, the knowledge base needs to publish all this content into the search engine, and the search box is going to query the search engine. Makes sense, right? We're just connecting the dots. What comes next? Well, in the knowledge base, you have different types of documents, different types, different formats, different authors. And this only means different types of processing. You might need to clean it. You might need to enhance it. Maybe you want some advanced features like semantic search, so you want an LLM in the middle. And this is not a straight line. This is going to become a workflow. What happens on the other side? It's not like you only have one customer. You have many of them. And they have different types of subscriptions. Some of them can access everything. Some of them can access only some of the documents, which means this also becomes a workflow. And what you're seeing here is the representation of your business rules. Now you see it, and maybe you still feel confident. You can implement it. You have seen some tools out there that claim you can do it on your own, and maybe you will succeed, at least this first implementation. What's the real problem? Well, you don't only have a couple of documents, right? You have hundreds of thousands of documents that needs to be processed all day long. And on the other side, you don't have a couple of clients. You have so many people accessing the system at the same time. And when this happens, the only possible outcome is problems everywhere. And now you need to fix a problem here. You need to fix a problem there. You need someone in-house to know how to fix each one of those problems. And this is becoming too chaotic. We started with a simple use case, and suddenly we are in the middle of this rabbit hole with problems to solve everywhere. So let me step back for a second. The original use case was a customer that wants to access some content, and you want to provide different ways of doing it. Now, the chaos that I showed you before is still happening, but I'm going to put it in a black box. And this black box is going to contain your business rules plus the technology to support them. Discovery. Why Discovery? Because Discovery was designed with the use case in mind. Discovery is designed to scale. Discovery is reliable, is resilient, and it's designed to handle all the use cases and all the errors that you're going to find along the way. Discovery is here so you can focus on your business. Discovery is here so you can focus on what needs to happen to make it grow, while Discovery helps in how to make it happen. Take a look at our website so you can learn more about how Discovery is helping our clients.